Take a look at this beauty. 1970 Pontiac GTO Judge Tribute. This car would have started life as Le Mans, has been turned into a very, very nice tribute of the 1970 Judge. Carousel red paint is what this would have been called. To me and you, I'm sure it's that orange Judge color that we all know and love. Body fit paint in this, nice, very nice driver quality car. It's at the top edge of a driver quality car. Best parts underneath the hood. I'm going to hit some of the highlights of the engine on this one. It does have a 455 underneath there. It's actually been bored out and built to a 469. Produces an estimated 500 horse. Some of the engine internals include a new balanced Eagle crank, Edelbrock aluminum heads with roller rockers, Eagle rods with Icon pistons, hydraulic Isky custom ground camshaft, high torque starter, new water pump. Does have a Holley fuel pump on it, MSD ignition, Holley 750 double pumper 4-barrel carb, Edelbrock Performer RPM intake, and that's all cooled with a new 4-core aluminum radiator. It's also equipped with power steering, power brakes underneath there. So we'll start it up here in a little bit. You can hear it run. Great sounding engine. Definitely throaty. Nice little cam to it. As you can see, beautiful look on the outside too. The Judge graphics on it. Slotted wheels. So the interior's in nice shape. Front bucket seats. Automatic on the floor with the console. That automatic is a turbo 400 3-speed. Paired with that built 455. If you'd like to check out the underside pics, the engine bay, check any of that out, please feel free to take a look at the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. You can also give us a call if you got any questions, like to inquire about transportation, getting this to your door. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. As you can see, the chrome and bright work on this is very nice shape. That awesome spoiler that they had on these. I'll slip around to the interior so you can get a look at that. And again, take a look at how the door fits, how the paint is. Car is very nice and straight. GTO door cards, Judge floor mats. See the bucket seats have been added, shoulder harness seat belts, headliner and everything, good shape. Dome light works. Has had a aftermarket tack installed in the dash. Very nice fitting. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Might take just a little bit to warm it up. Aftermarket Pontiac stereo added. Gauges down below, as you can see, those do work. Tack does work. Odometer shows a little 65,000 all over that. Can't confirm or deny that as original miles, just due to we don't have the history all the way back to new. But the car's obviously been redone since then. Got the shifter on the floor. We got this warmed up. I'll get out so you can hear it from the outside. See how nicely the door closes. Slip around to the back. How'd you like to roll into any of your local shows or cruise-ins? Car that sounds like that. Like I said, feel free to check out those still pictures. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. But like I said, feel free to give us a call. 507-386-1726. 1970 Pontiac GTO Judge Tribute. Beautiful car, very healthy engine. Give us a call.